Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix a Pokemon Go app and not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, for this video, I'm gonna show you three solutions in order for you to fix your Pokemon Go application. So for the first solution, just go to your Google Play Store and search for Pokemon Go. And guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So guys, for the second solution, just go to the settings. And then here on the settings, guys, just tap on the apps. And then here on the apps, just search for Pokemon Go. And once you find it, just tap on it. And then from here, make sure to tap on the storage and clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be having a working Pokemon Go application. So if any of these doesn't work, what you will do for the third solution is reinstalling the application. So first, uninstall the application on your device. And then after uninstalling it, just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again on your device. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue on your Pokemon Go. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe guys. And thanks for watching. See ya!